Here's the secret every leader needs to know. Great leaders don't have to have all the answers. Great leaders ask all the right questions. All too often, leaders have turned into the answer ATM for the office. People put their problems in, and leaders are supposed to spit out a response from some magical bank of answers somewhere. Leaders are hoping it's the right answer, and they're worried about bankrupting their entire answer vault. Instead of trying to have all the answers to every potential problem, ask the right questions that create new solutions to any problem. That's right, asking brain-based questions help the team spark new ideas, insights, and answers without the leader having to worry, is this the right answer, and do I have it in the answer bank already? Now the team can move forward on their own, allowing leaders to lead and focus their time and energy on more strategic priorities. Every leader's world is becoming more complex and challenging. Hi, I'm Jeff Nally, and I can help you ditch the complexity and learn to ask simple, brain-based questions. Stop being the answer ATM and let your team cash in on better solutions because you ask the right questions.